In front of me is REDBEAT E3 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, you need to open settings and go into apps section. Then scroll all the way down to tap on freeform windows and use the switcher to activate this feature. Then click reboot now and wait. When your device is back on, click on one of your apps and open it in the background. Then tap on the icon of it available at the top and select Freeform. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. If you want to find all of the instructions for this mode, you can go into Settings again, tap on Apps, scroll to access Freeform windows here, and follow all of those instructions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!